Hello and welcome to my April market update. Now my big three topics for today are going to have a budget theme running through them, where we're going to look at the opportunities in the key changes that were made. Now the first topic is stamp duty. Now the announcement in the budget regarding stamp duty is that not only is the 3% surcharge going to apply to buyers of second properties, it's also going to apply to commercial investors who own more than 20 properties. Now when the policy was first announced in the autumn statement, these landlords were going to be excluded from the tax rise, and this is no longer the case. And all landlords and residential buyers buying a second home are going to be affected. Now transactional cost is not dissimilar to investing your money using an IFA who's going to take an initial fee. So I don't expect the impact of these changes to have too much of an effect on existing landlords. It's simply going to be something which is going to be factored into their calculations. Now the lifetime ISA is a really positive change, which I think is going to affect savings for first-time buyers. Now our understanding of the product is that it's going to come in from April 2017 for investors aged 18 to 40. It's going to be treated as part of the ISA allowance of £20,000, and up to 25% of your investment, up to a maximum of £1,000, is going to be matched by the government. So think about the scenario of a couple who are investing in their first purchase. They can both have £4,000 contributions into the ISA and have that topped up each by £1,000. Now I think this could be a really fantastic way of parents helping children and renters to save for a deposit. Obviously those children would need to be 18 years or over, and especially if they're looking to maybe buy in the next 2 to 5 years. So I've attached a few links below which give you a little bit more details on this, and hopefully that's going to be useful. Now my final point is about changes in supply and demand. Now, as is normal at this time of year, we're seeing a lot more property coming onto the market, basically giving buyers more choice. Now, there's no doubt that available stock levels are still very tight, but we can see the balance of power slowly shifting away from sellers and into buyers. So the days of simply putting a £10,000 addition onto the last price of a house which sold in your street, I think are gone. You need to have a really, really sound plan as to how you're going to get that best price. And again, my advice and recommendation is that I would not be overcooking the prices. So why not have a look at our property launch calculator on the website to see whether or not your property and how your property would benefit from a really effective marketing plan.